Today's a new day. What are we doing here?
Getting new MacBooks.
Woo! And we got some Omomo. Oh, let's cross.
Sarah got me a Momo as a celebration of my termination.
Congrats on your freedom.
Being a free Dobie.
Free Dobie. Alright, let's go. Oh. MacBooks. This is the MacBook Air. This is the one on light. This is the midnight.
Perfect conditions of and you get the beautiful color. Space there.
Secured the goods.
You'll find me at cafes.
Grinding away.
Maybe I
Find
should.
her at cafes. If you make more than 150K a year, give her your number. Brand new.
We got such a good deal. Okay, we're home after like 6 hours of being outside. Brand freaking new. From brand.
How light it is. The reveal.
Doing this again. Bruh, are you kidding me? I've bought a lot of tech products in my life, and I think this is one of the worst processes that I've ever gone through to get a product in my hands. Gotta try this again tomorrow. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.